Hi, thank you Mazda. Thank you bang. Hi. Best ini Mazda 3. Mazda 3 pasang interface. Now you can see lah, boleh guna original semua benda yang sama biasa. Volume control pun boleh tekan. Semua pun boleh yang original, tak ada ubah benda. We change to interface very easy. Just press this button, watch button here. 2 second hold, 1, 2 hold. You change already. Change hold 2 seconds, change it back. So before go to interface, we select aux, and then we press 2 seconds the voice button. Become the interface. It's very smooth. Sangat smooth bang. Sangat smooth. Very smooth. So now you can see under the strong sunshine, cahaya kuat, tapi dia still clear, very clear. Boleh sama lah. Boleh tengok guna waist. Go, resume go. Sama boleh guna waist juga. Okay, we gonna waist. Can shoot down. Sama ada boleh pergi YouTube juga. Very clear. Ini iklan. Tak mau tengok iklan. Skip. Volume control still can control. Sekarang di bawah sangat kuat, pengen matahari sangat kuat, tapi still clear bang. Sangat clear. No need change the speed. Screen is original, all the player are original. Everything is a plug and play. Okay, if you don't want to use, you can go back. You can do like that. Okay, we can go to iDrama. Tengok cinema pun boleh. Watch now. Tengok wayang. Sekarang di bawah matahari punya. Very clear.
기관차 몇 명 탈 수 있어? 우리 이거 떼어버리고 부산까지 기관차만 갑시다. 이걸 떼죠? 안 돼요. 여기서 할 수가 없어요.
Okay, thank you to watching. We can close like that. Sama lah. Thank you.